Okay, so do you like the new sweaters? Sure, I do. Yeah, Poochie. This sweater is cool. I never got a sweater before. We're a toy, so no, you don't, Forever. So, isn't that funny, Forever?
Yeah,
Freebird, however you say it, Poochie. It's Rebel, but I can't say it right. Okay. Oh, hey, Poochie and Pumpkin. Oh, Pumpkin, I see you're wearing the gloves and hat I made you. Yep, of course I would. Come back anytime. I'll be here if you need me. With my little stapler sewing machine. You like it? I do. It's based off of something that you probably would recognize, but I don't know. Come back anytime. I might bring Goomba back for another time. Hey, we're gonna get going now, okay, Pumpkin and Poochie? Alright. See you next time, Goomba. I'm so glad that Poochie made me these clothes. Yeah, might need to swear next time. Well, I think I know what's here. Okay. What should we do? Okay. It's been a while since we've been on this. No, isn't it? We're gonna go with outside, okay? Poochie! You're not too serious. Okay. What is it? Oh, come on, you guys. Coming, Pumpkin? Yeah, I'm coming. What do you think it could be? I just heard something. Poochie, whatever it is, we gotta find out. Maybe we can help them. I don't know what this is. Let's go back in. Poochie, we gotta go find out. Remember, it's your job to make sure everybody's safe. Fine. But if we get hurt, this is on you, Pumpkin. Okay, whatever, Poochie. Guys, you might want to see this. What the heck? He's got Pumpkin. Pumpkin? No. Hey, you let go of Pumpkin or else. Fiber, grab on. Whoa. Fiber, you're huge. Whoa. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go defeat that monster. Yeah, we'll show him that he's not gonna mess with us or Spookin' ever again. Whoa! Let's get her or him or whatever it is. Oh! You saved us! How did you get so giant? Whatever it takes to save you guys. Well, I'm glad we saved him. Hey, Poochie, there's one thing we didn't do. What's that? Oh, yeah! Fable, let go! Oh, we did it, Fable. I thought we were done with missions, but we finally did another one. Well, Fable, you know, I'm kind of glad that we are doing this thing. Yeah. Well, let's be ready for our next mission. Oh, well, guess there is a little problems left up.